Lesson 4.4 is called Safe Cars for Teens. It's a group activity, meaning that you will need a partner for this. You'll have to decide who's going to be student A and who's going to be student B. So as you can see, I'm in my drive in my Computer 7 folder. Okay. So step number 3 in the packet says student A will be responsible for editing slides 1 through 3, and student B will be responsible for editing slides 4 through 6. So step 4 says that student A is going to create a new Google Slides presentation. And student A is going to go down and select Beach Day. So the Beach Day theme. And here it is, right here, Beach Day. Remember, once the theme is selected, you can X out of themes and give yourself more room. Okay, so step 5 says student A is going to share the presentation with student B. So remember, go up here, click share, and we're going to need to title it. So 4.4. And then what we'll do is we'll end up sharing it with whatever student we need to. So type the student's name in. Remember, make sure it's Can Edit. If you select Can Comment or Can View, they won't be able to type on it. And then you're going to send it to them, okay? So remember, student B, when you go into your drive, you need to go into Shared with Me and look for what's been shared with me, okay? That's how you're going to be able to handle this assignment, all right? So that takes us to step number 6. Student A, add 5 additional title-only slides. So we go up here, and we're looking for title only. Once you do it one time, title only like that, you can just do the plus sign for the other 4. So we have a total of 6 slides here, with the first one having the Beach Day theme. And that way you'll have your title only slides, okay? So number 7, it says for student B to go into their Shared with Me drive and open up the lesson. I showed you how to do that. So step 8, collaborate. When more than one person is simultaneously editing a slide, each person is doing stuff with a different color. And you guys know that from Google Docs, okay? And Google Sheets for that matter. So step number 9, type the title and subtitle and change the font size of the title to 60. Then add an image similar to the one shown on the last page. So in the packets, you'll have to go to the very last page. So it says we're doing Safe Cars for Teens. Now remember, it doesn't look the same because the theme that we're supposed to use is called the Biz theme, but they don't have that anymore. So that's why we're using Beach Day. It looks a little bit different, okay? So then we're going to, just like it shows in the packet, we're going to center it, alright? Now down here, it wants you to say created by. Whoops, I see what the problem is too. I'm on the wrong slide. So I'm going to cut this over and go back to the first slide there. There we go. So Safe Cars for Teens. Alright, and then it wants us to click to add the subtitle, created by, and then you guys put your names in here, whatever your actual name is. So if your name is Bob, put created by Bob and Maggie, whatever it is, okay? So you're going to put that right in there. Now that you've typed the words in, you can go back in your packet to step number 9. So we type the title and subtitle, then it says change the font size of the title to 60. So I'm going to click on it 3 times, change it to 60. Then it wants me to add an image of a car, okay? So I'm going to go right about here and do insert, image, and I'm going to search the web for a car. I like this blue color here. So you got to go down to the insert button down here. Okay. So there's the car. Now remember, when you adjust pictures, go up into the corner here and highlight down. So that way it sizes it properly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this up some. And I think what I'll do is I'll also move this up some. So that way I have room to put the car right in the middle. You see how I use the red line there? I'm able to put it right in the middle. Okay. Alright. Now, so Slide 1, Slide 2, and Slide 3 all talk about what to do for student A. So if you're student B, you need to go to step number 19, okay? You do steps 19 through 28, alright? That's student B stuff. The last thing I'm going to show you guys is when you go to the second slide, okay? So slide 2, it tells you to type the title, so you got to go to the back page and figure out what the title's going to be. And the title's going to be mid-size cars under, whoops, I need to, yep, under $20,000. Notice how I use the dollar symbol and a comma right there, okay? So mid-size cars under 20,000. Then I'm going to click down here, okay? So the last thing I'm going to show you guys is how to insert a table, okay? To insert a table, you go to the table menu, and then insert table, and it says it wants it 3 columns and 6 rows. So here's 3 columns, and go down 6 rows, okay? So there's my table. And if I want to stretch it out a little bit more to make it a little bigger, I can do that as well, okay? Because you're going to do some typing into this table, alright? So, it also tells you that when you're copying and pasting a table to put it on another slide, what you want to do, you see how I'm putting my cursor right where it's at? So I've got 4 arrows pointing in all different directions. Then I can right click, and I think I need to get the 4 arrows, click on it. So I had the 4 arrows, I clicked with the left clicker. Then I can right click and do copy. And then I can go to the next slide, click down here, and right click and do paste. Okay, that's how you're going to be able to do that. So same thing for student B. When you make your table and you can copy and paste them, you can just go right to the next slide then, click down here, and then right click, paste. Okay, boom, 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 just like that. I hope that helps, and good luck.